How to fix Pinterest app not loading on Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow, and our channel is really small, so your subscription means a lot. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. To make sure if your Pinterest is not loading on your phone, you have to open your settings. Once you open your settings, first check if your Wi-Fi is connected, and if it's connected, go to your data, and once that's cleared, you have to go back to your settings and then search for apps, and then you have to search for Pinterest. Once Pinterest is open in your settings on your apps, you have to scroll down and click on storage and cache. Once you click that, here you have to clear your cache and you have to clear your storage, which I have already done. So you have to do both, then you have to go back, and then one more step that you have to follow, that is to uninstall the app. Once you uninstall the app, then you have to reinstall the app again, and once the app is reinstalled, your whole Pinterest app will be updated and it will be resetted, and mostly your not loading problem on your phone will be solved. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.